Hey everyone, Aaron from Ariens Co here, showing you how to replace the mower belt, which is also known as the PTO belt, on your Ariens APEX zero-turn mower. Like all maintenance on an Ariens zero-turn mower, this process is easy and can be done with your own tools in your own garage. But before we start, let's just have a look at the safety section in your operator's manual to familiarize ourselves with safe practices when completing service. Remove the left belt cover from the deck. Remove the PTO idler spring hook from the anchor bolt with a spring puller. If a spring puller isn't available, try using a generous length of thin but strong rope. Now remove the right belt cover. And now we'll remove the mower belt idler spring hook from the anchor bolt. Again, if you don't have a spring puller, you can use a different suitable tool or some rope. Open the access cover. While you have a good view of the belt routing, take a picture that you can reference when installing a new belt. Again, this example is with a 52-inch deck, but the belt routing will vary among this model's deck sizes. Remove the belt finger from the PTO idler arm. Remove the mower belt from around the idler and spindle pulleys. Then remove the belt from around the clutch pulley at the rear of the unit and remove the belt. Now remove the mower belt. Install the new belts, starting with the mower belt. This belt is installed with the cogged side wrapped around the spindle pulleys and with its flat side against the idler pulley. Once the belt is aligned in the pulleys, reinstall the idler spring hook around the anchor bolt, then ensure the belt has tension and moves with little resistance. Feed the PTO belt toward the deck from above the transaxle brace at the rear of the unit. Refer to the picture you took earlier to correctly route the PTO belt around the spindle pulleys and the idlers. The routing may be different between deck sizes, but the belt must always be installed with the narrower side wrapped around the spindle pulleys and with the wider side against the idler pulleys. Once the PTO belt is correctly aligned in the pulleys, install the belt around the clutch. Reinstall the PTO idler spring hook around the anchor bolt, then check that the belt has tension and is correctly aligned in all pulleys. Reinstall the belt finger bolt into the idler and secure it with the original nut. Turn the bolt until a couple of its threads are visible beyond the nut, but don't turn it too far that the bolt head interferes with the top of the idler pulley. Then tighten the hardware. Reinstall the right belt cover. And now the left belt cover. And though this process really wasn't too difficult, remember you guys always have the option to leave this procedure up to your nearest Ariens servicing dealer, which can be found at ariens.com/dealers. Now, if you are comfortable doing this one on your own, remember you can find the replacement belt part number in the service parts section of your operator's manual. New belts can be purchased from your nearest Ariens dealer or from the Ariens online parts store at parts.ariens.com. And that's all for today, but remember guys, as always, if you like this video and want to see more helpful content from Ariens, click on the Ariens logo in the lower right corner of the video to subscribe to our YouTube channel.